Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. I just wanted to start off by saying I'm not an expert. However, I am an interested investor and interested in learning more. So I thought I'd do a basic analysis on the stock chart for AMC. I unfortunately bought in a bit high and sustained a fair bit of loss, but it is okay. Everything's a learning experience, so I thought I'd use this experience and identify different features that I could have looked for and I can look for in the future to let me know when to buy and when possibly to sell. This is a part one in terms of AMC and the things to look for for short-term investments. Okay, so here we're looking at a stock chart for AMC. It's a candlestick plot. So as you can see, these represent the highs, these represent the lows, as well as a fluctuation within a certain interval. The intervals for this are 30 minutes. Okay, and it's over the course of 5 days, so the beginning of February. And you can also see the moving average, which is a changing average based on the last 20 intervals. Okay, so overall, you can see that it's trending downwards. However, what you can do is look at the areas of resistance and try to characterize them in relation to whether there's potential for it to go up or whether it's just going to continue to go down, especially in the short term. So if you look right here, first area of resistance, and for those who aren't familiar, those are essentially points where the stock has a hard time breaking through. So right here, from February 2nd to February 3rd, the stock didn't really move past 9 o'clock. It got close, but didn't. And then the next day, it did move past it temporarily. And then on February 4th, you again are reintroduced to this general decline, where you have another area of resistance, which is 821. And then on the 5th, it goes even further down right here, which is around $8, 762. So in general, if you were to characterize it, you can think of it as just steps moving downwards, and you don't really have an intermediate step where the stock value goes up. So again, that's an indication that overall you can expect it to continue to go down. And then if you look at the areas of support, so again, that's similar to the areas of resistance. Instead, it's where the stock tends to stay at or rebound off of when it dips, when it declines. So right here, you have some consolidation right here, as well as right here, as well as right here. Me personally, I may use this as an indication that it's a good time to buy for the minimum right here. But in general, you can see that it's going down. I don't necessarily expect it to go up, but this is purely a basic analysis on the stock charts. If you do some research in the media, you may get an indication that there is more growing hype, or there's a greater commitment from the collective to start buying shares again. Also, there is some manipulation and influence by the Wall Street investors. So you may want to get more familiar with that side of things before deciding whether this is whether you want to sell or whether you want to hold on to the stock. All right, so this is the end of the video. Just a reminder, this is a part one. Next week, I'll be going over some of the things to look for when determining whether a company is a good long-term buy, such as AMC. All right, so have a good weekend and hope to see you guys next week. Again, thanks for watching the video and please like and subscribe.